This is Earth 4.6 billion years ago. This is Earth 4.5 billion years ago. And this is what it looks like today. It holds around 8 billion people, more than 3 trillion trees, 130 billion mammals, 510 million square kilometer solid land surface, and 333 cubic miles of total water. This is the history of the blue planet. Let's go back in time. In the beginning I told you that this was Earth 4.6 billion years ago, but that is not entirely correct, because this cloud was our entire solar system. But then something mysterious happened. The mysterious thing was a sudden disturbance in this cloud. The reason behind it is not completely known, but scientists believe that a collapsed star, a supernova explosion, could be the reason behind it. Due to this disturbance at the center of the cloud, the matter started spinning, and started bonding together. And over time this moment became violent, and 4.6 billion years ago, the Sun was born, consuming 99% of the solar mass of the nebula. But the 1% of remaining cloud did not lose its complete momentum. Clumps of matter were still colliding with each other, and those which became big enough, started attracting more matter with their gravitational pull, and 4.5 billion years ago our planet Earth was made. But it used to look completely different from what it looks like today. In the beginning it was extremely hot, covered with molten magma. It passed through 3 stages. Out of those 3 stages one is responsible for our natural satellite moon. Accretion, the first stage, in which formation of planets takes place as a result of collision of particles inside the solar system. In the next stage the protoplanets collided with the young Earth, and it resulted in the formation of the moon. And in the final stage asteroids bombarded the planet. And these asteroids are also considered as transport services that bring water and minerals to Earth, which were essential for the beginning of life. But still the Earth was not habitable without its atmosphere. The universe is full of planets. But on how many planets are there in the universe, on which we can breathe? The answer is only one. The Earth. But how did Earth get its atmosphere? It all started 4.5 billion years ago when our planet Earth was made. It was not sustainable at all. It was like Venus. At that time, the Earth's surface was in a molten state. It was just the home of hydrogen and helium, the 2 main gases in the universe. But years after years, when Earth cooled down on the external surface, the surface of the Earth became hard, and got divided into layers. And moments of these layers lead to volcanic activities, which increases the abundance of water, carbon dioxide, and methane slowly onto the surface. The carbon dioxide dissolved into the ocean. Slowly, year after year, bacterial life came into existence, and it started the process of photosynthesis, which led to the production of oxygen. And later the formation of complex life, and activity associated with those complex life, leads to the more number of gases on Earth. And do you know this interesting thing, that our blue planet got its name only 1,000 years ago, around the time when gunpowder was discovered? Where all the planets in the solar system were named after Roman god and goddesses. But the name of our planet came from a Germanic word, which simply means the ground. And this is how our planet Earth was made.